This is a simple natural remedy for leg pain. Just 1 spoon at night can make a big difference. And it's easy to prepare at home. The first ingredient is turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory. It helps calm joint stiffness and supports smoother movement. The second ingredient is pure organic honey. It relaxes the body during sleep and naturally reduces pain signals. The third ingredient is fresh lemon. It boosts blood circulation and keeps muscles flexible. Take a small bowl to prepare the remedy. Add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. This will be the base of the mixture. Now add 2 spoons of honey. It makes the paste smooth and pleasant and increases healing effects. Squeeze half a lemon into the bowl. This brings natural vitamin C for recovery. Mix everything very well. Your golden night remedy is ready. It should look like a thick smooth paste. You only need 1 spoon at bedtime. Take the spoon 15 to 20 minutes before sleep. It helps the body enter deep rest and relaxes tired leg muscles. The mixture reduces inflammation inside the muscles. When swelling goes down, pain goes down. Walking becomes smoother and easier. This is perfect for people with night leg pain, or those who wake up with heavy, stiff legs. It gives gentle, natural relief. Use it daily for 10 to 15 days. You will notice improvement in movement. Your legs feel lighter and more flexible. There are no chemicals and no side effects. Only pure natural ingredients are used. Each one has proven benefits for pain relief. If your pain is long-term, continue for 30 days. The results will be slow but lasting. Your walking confidence returns. Try this remedy tonight. Just 1 spoon can start the change. Walk with ease and comfort again.